Extinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Gauri, Senior Scientist ISRO, Secretary, Principal, HODs, dedicated, devoted and determined faculty, and my dear student engineers. I warmly welcome you all to the International Women's Day. The continued trust and confidence laid on us by the society and by the Vincians have made us to create a better place to learn. On behalf of the management, I thank you for your support and cooperation. Each year around the world, International Women's Day is celebrated on March 8th. International Women's Day means different things to different people, as some celebrate it as a festival and others as a day that calls for action. International Women's Day is the need of the day. The progress made by women needs due recognition. Women need more empowerment. Women need respect. Women need no violence and equality in everything. Make it happen is the 2015 theme for our International Women's Day, encouraging effective action for advancing and recognizing women. All around the world, International Women's Day represents an opportunity to celebrate the achievements of women while calling for greater equality. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru once said that you can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women. International Women's Day happens to be the story how the ordinary women make it big in the pages of history or the minds of the people. It is the age-old struggle and fight of women for life, enjoying equal power and opportunity as men and many more. The entire world come together to celebrate this special day for the woman. Mother Teresa was a nun of Indian citizenship who founded the Missionaries of Charity in India. For over 45 years, she ministered to the poor, sick, orphaned, and dying. She was beatified by Pope John Paul II and given the title Blessed Teresa of Calcutta. She received numerous awards, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and the Bharat Ratna in 1980. என் அன்புக்குரிய செல்ல பிள்ளைகளே, உங்களது ஒருவராவது உலகின் சமாதானத்தின் தூதுவராக ஐக்கிய நாட்டு சபையில் அங்கம் வகித்து அன்பின் இலக்கணமாக கருணையின் பிறப்பிடமாக இருந்து நோபல் பரிசு வாங்க என் மனமார வாழ்த்துகிறேன். Marie Curie, chemist and physicist, the only person to receive Nobel Prizes in two different sciences, physics 1903 and chemistry 1911. She was the first woman professor at the University of Paris and is credited with the creation of the history of radioactivity and the discovery of polonium and radium. One of her best quote is, "Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood." My dear student engineers, now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. என் பத்திரமாத்து தங்கங்களே, உங்களில் ஒருவராவது உலகம் போற்றும் உத்தமியாக, அறிவுலக மேதையாக, விஞ்ஞான மேதை மேரி கியூரி போல் ஆக வாகெடுக்க வாழ்த்துகிறேன். Sunitha Williams is an Indian origin, United States naval officer and a NASA astronaut. She was assigned to the International Space Station as a member of Expedition 14 and then joined Expedition 15. She holds the record of the longest space flight for female space travelers. Williams is the second woman of Indian heritage to have been selected by NASA for a space mission, after Kalpana Chawla, and the second astronaut of Slovenian heritage after Ronald M. Saga. She holds 3 records for female space travelers: longest space flight 195 days, number of spacewalks 4, and total time spent on spacewalks 29 hours and 17 minutes. என் தங்க தாரகைகளே, உங்களில் ஒருவர் விண்வெளி வீராங்கனையாக சாதனை மேல் சாதனை படைக்கும் சக்தி மிக்க மகாசக்தியாக பிரகாசிக்க மிளிர நான் வாழ்த்துகிறேன். My dear student engineers, women have made important contribution in all walks of life and made inroads into new fields like engineering and information technology. Of the women science graduated, 85% of the science degree holders are in pure science, 6% in medicine and 7% in engineering and technology. There are around 50 women Nobel Prize winners, almost same to men. Even though there is no equal representation for women have achieved. I personally believe that women empowerment and upliftment can only be ensured by providing education. We are empowering women by imparting value-based technical education. Women's education is extremely important, as it is their human right and required for the flourishing of many of their capacities. Educated women do not want to limit their lives in the 4 walls of the house. They demand equal respect from their partners. However, Indian women have to go a long way to achieve equal rights and position, because tradition are deep-rooted in some segments of Indian society. I strongly believe this will be broken by women's visions, the future molders of this nation. My dear student engineers, I am very happy for your academic performances. I feel proud to say WINS Women's faculty members are dedicated, devoted and determined. WINS Women's faculty members are molding the students, motivating the students and monitoring the students in right steps in right direction to achieve first position among the engineering colleges of South Tamil Nadu in Anna University results. Yes, we have achieved. Yes, we have succeeded. I feel proud to say WINS Christian Women's College of Engineering is number 1 among South Tamil Nadu. This is our achievement. WINS Women has created history in Kanyakumari district in Anna University results. My dear student engineers, I am very happy to inform you that 64 faculty members have produced 100% results in 95 subjects in our WINS Women's College of Engineering. WINS Women's is the only college continuously maintaining first rank in South Tamil Nadu for the last 6 years. Sadhanai, இது சாதனை. இதுதான் வின்ஸ் பெண்கள் கல்லூரி இன் அர்ப்பணம் நிறைந்த ஆசிரியர்களின் சாதனை. From 2009 to 2015, from first semester to 11th semester, Wins Women has come first among the engineering colleges of Tamil Nadu. முதலிடம், ஆம் முதலிடம். வின்ஸ் மகளிர் கல்லூரியே அண்ணா பல்கலைக்கழக தேர்ச்சி விகிதத்தில் தமிழகத்தில் முதலிடம், தென் தமிழகத்தில் முதலிடம். This is our achievement. Our vision of 2015 was one among the top 10 engineering colleges of Tamil Nadu, but it was achieved in 2013 itself. Yes, we have achieved the 9th rank among 540 engineering colleges of Anna University, Chennai. 60% of our students are maintaining an average of 80% and above in Anna University examinations. இதுதான் எனது செல்ல பிள்ளைகளாம் வின்ஸ் மகளிர் மாணவிகளின் வின்ஸ் மகளிர் மாணவிகளின் தன்னிகரற்ற சிறப்பு. இந்த மகளிர் தினத்தில் உங்களை வாகெடுக்க வாழ்த்துகிறேன், நாகெடுக்க வாழ்த்துகிறேன், வானக மகிழ வாழ்த்துகிறேன், வையக மகிழ வாழ்த்துகிறேன். We are the best in producing more results with higher marks in South Tamil Nadu. WINS provides value-based engineering education. WINS promises quality teaching. WINS promotes interdisciplinary knowledge. WINS produces winners, achievers and inventors. WINS proves its worth by producing university results. Career in the engineering field is very lucrative. Taking this as an opportunity, we the WINS have signed memorandum of understanding with Satyabama University, ICL, TCS, BSNL, Sutherland Global Service, Cyber/Support and other MNCs to bridge the gap between corporate and institution. We at WINS believe that learning should be challenging. Thus, we also put a premium on trying to develop minds and believe that budding professionals have to work at becoming better thinkers. To achieve this, they need to learn to think for them and for the society. We build character in our students. We believe that igniting interest and engagement in students is part of our brief here. I wish to take this opportunity to remember and congratulate the rank holders and toppers of our college. With the guidance of dedicated, devoted WINS faculty and with the all-round encouragement of management, I am sure more number of students of WINS Christian Women's College of Engineering will become inventors of new technology or new device or new scientific theory or new technical product and attain rank in Anna University, impress the top branded employers and bring laurels to this institution. I wish WINS women to take the right direction to bring out their potentialities and talents. Let the WINSians involved in tracking the arenas of opportunities in this evergreen sector get placed and bring laurels to our institution. My dear budding engineering professionals, enter into the future technical world in full knowledge and confidence. Let me take this opportunity to thank our dignified chief guest, Dr. Gauri, Senior Scientist ISRO, for making her valuable presence. My dear students, give a big clap. I have great pleasure in inaugurating the International Women's Day, Calista 15. My dear students, may the Lord grant you health, strength, memory, knowledge, wisdom, courage, and confidence to get first class, distinction, and university rank in your university examinations. Wishing you all to realize the best out of this event. Thank you.